Hello friends, today I will discuss with you two important sections, that is section 194M and 194N, newly inserted under the TDS topic by the budget 2019. So let's start. Section 194M is about payment for contract, commission, brokerage or the professional fees. This section is applicable from 1st September 2019. As per this section, payer can be any individual or the HUF, but other than those who covered under section 194C, 194H and 194J. It means this section is applicable on the individual or HUF who are not liable to tax audit in the last previous year. As per this section, payee can be any resident person. As per section 194M, payer is required to deduct TDS on the amount credited or paid to the payee if such amount is more than rupees 50 lakhs during the previous financial year. TDS rate applicable as per this section is 6%. Section 194N is about withdrawal of cash in excess of rupees 1 crores during the previous financial year. This section is applicable from 1st September 2019. As per this section, payer can be any bank, cooperative bank or the post office. Payee can be any person. As per this section, payer is required to deduct TDS on the amount of cash withdrawn in excess of rupees 1 crores during the previous financial year from the one or more account maintained by the recipient. This section is not applicable in case payment is made to the government, ATM operator, money changer, another bank, cooperative bank, post office, any other as prescribed by the RBI. TDS rate as per this section will be 2%. I hope you like the video. If any doubt, please do comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.